In today's video, we'll be talking about my YouTube channel and how much YouTube paid me for the highest viewed video on my channel. The video with the most views on my channel. How much did YouTube pay me? I'm going to let you guys know, okay? Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty. You're welcome to Chandra's Corner. In this channel, we'll talk about content creation, growth tips, entrepreneurship and business ideas, and various ways to make money on the online space. Okay, so if these are the kind of videos you like watching, please click on the subscribe button to join the family. I won't stop reminding you guys to join the family. So if you're not a family member yet, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Join the family, turn on your post notification as well, so that anytime I upload new video on my channel, YouTube will notify you first as a VIP member, right? Okay, so I'll be taking you to the back end of my channel, which is something we call YouTube Studio. If you're a YouTuber, you should already know what YouTube Studio is. But if you're not, YouTube Studio is the part of your channel that only you and the YouTube team sees. Things like how your video is doing, how many minutes of your videos were watched before people decide to click out, how much your video has made, suggestions on the kind of videos you should make to keep your viewers engaged. All of those things are the things you see in the back end of your YouTube channel, which is your YouTube Studio, okay? And it's also your bank, your temporary bank, okay? Before you take your money to your actual bank, that's where your money grows. By the end of the month, it's now moved into your Google AdSense account. At the same time, I would also show you how long it took for me to earn that amount on my channel and how much advertisers were willing to pay to put adverts in that particular video on my channel. And then I'll explain to you generally how content creators earn their money. Now, this video is not for bragging purpose. It's actually for educational purpose, okay? For anyone who is interested in opening a YouTube account or anyone who is interested in becoming a YouTuber. So let's quickly go down to the analytics of the highest viewed video on my channel. And this is the highest viewed video on my channel. This video was actually made or uploaded on my channel in April 24th, 2022. That was when I put up this video. So this is my YouTube Studio, and that is the analytics of this particular video. Make money on Facebook. How? Like I said, I posted this video in April 24th, 2022. And since I posted this video, it has generated a total of 37,660 views since it was published. And if you check the watch time this video has accumulated, it has accumulated a total watch time of 2,221 watch time. And then if you check the subscribers, this video has given me about 1,000 subscribers in total. So the number of persons who ended up subscribing to my channel because of this video is about 1,000 persons. And for the revenue, this video has generated $107 since it went public or since it went live. So $107.82. Surprised? Yeah. And that is in a space of over 2 years. Yeah. I had more male population watching this video than female, and the age bracket of people who watched this video was from 18 years to 34 years. And I also have majorly Nigerian people who watched this video. Like, the geographical location of people who watch these videos are mainly Nigerian, and then just a minute amount of people living in the United States. The CPM I get for this video, like cost per minute or so I get from this video, is $2 and some cents. That is how much YouTube pays me for every 1,000 views I get on this video. And this is for skippable ads, non-skippable ads, and all of the ads that is shown on this channel. And then for how much advertisers were willing to pay, advertisers were willing to pay $4 and some cents for every 1,000 views I get on this channel. So if advertisers pays $4 and some cents for every 1,000 views, YouTube pays me $2 and some cents for every 1,000 views I get on this particular video. So now that we are back from analyzing this video, that is how we content creators get paid on YouTube or on social media. Most of the social media platforms follows the same pattern. The adverts that are placed on a video is what is used to pay you. The money advertisers are willing to pay for their videos to appear on your channel, and the amount of time your viewers views those ads will be what you will collect at the end of the month. I'm trying to break it down. So another thing that affects how much a YouTuber earn is the niche that their content is centered around. If you are into entertainment, like, of course they are all entertainment, but like if you're into vlogging, comedy and the rest, the amounts advertisers will be willing to pay to put adverts in your video will not be as much as somebody. It may not be as much as somebody who is into tech or who is into e-commerce, like finance niche and all of that. Their own who could be more. YouTube is a lucrative platform, but it takes time to build. You have to build from scratch. You have to build an audience, get a community, and over time you start seeing more and more people visit your channel. Take note that YouTubers are not paid based on the number of subscribers that they have. Neither are they paid based on the number of views that their channel gets, but they are paid based on the adverts, the time spent that your viewers spent watching adverts on your page, along with the other factors that I mentioned. YouTube is a nice career path that somebody can actually make sustainable amount of money in, but it takes time. It's not done overnight. You cannot skip the process. At the end of the day, you still have to follow this process until you start making substantial amounts that can sustain you. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you're interested in videos like this, please click on the subscribe button, join the family. If you have any questions from what I've just said in my video, leave it down in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.